This time we're going to build a Gothic vault. Gothic vaults are considerably more complicated to make than Romanesque ones. This vault will be square in overall shape, but the principles involved in building a rectangular one are exactly the same. We begin by defining where the centre point of the vault will be, using a cylinder as a yardstick. Switching to a wireframe view will make it clearer. Now I need to make the vault ribs. This is very similar to making a Gothic arch. The first thing we need to do is load a profile and position it, but before that I'll rotate the main arches 45 degrees to make positioning the profile easier. So just putting the profile into place now. Once the profile is in position, you can hide or delete the arches. Go into point editing mode and then left and then right click on the lathe tool. In a top view, rotate the lathe into position. Then use a front or perspective view to adjust the radius until the lathe just touches the top of the yardstick. You may find it helps if you change the number of segments so that there is a point directly above the top of the yardstick. Now left click on the lathe tool again to make the rib. Use a cube to Boolean subtract the extra geometry. We don't need the yardstick anymore, so delete it now. And now use simply symmetry to make the other half of the rib. Move the axes of the rib to the object's center point. Now copy the rib and rotate it by 90 degrees, and glue the copy to the original. Now we've got our vault ribs. So if we reposition the arches and turn the ribs by 45 degrees, you can see we're all ready to put the vault in. We'll do this in the next section.